So today, we're gonna redesign the United States of Tyler Wiggly Joe Mrozek. Here you go. Okay.
It's your color scheme.
That's perfect. It's my color scheme.
Tyler is so considerate.
Inconsiderate.
I was about to say inconsiderate.
Okay, let's start with the home.
I'm gonna be real with you, Chief.
What?
Looking at this map, I don't know where PA is.
What's the edge of our state look like? Is it a straight
I
line?
think it's a straight line because it's a straight line with Ohio.
With what?
Ohio.
I don't know about them.
That is the motherland.
And then this?
And then this right next to us is shit.
Oh, are we labeling it?
I mean, you wrote shit. So we decided that, with the polar ice caps melting, we need a place to put all that extra water. And so where are we gonna put that water? We're gonna nuke Ohio and get rid of it because it is a shithole.
But like on this edge, so it doesn't come to us.
Yeah. So it's gonna,
Sorry, what, Indiana?
I think it's Illinois.
Illinois,
I
sorry.
think Illinois is on the other side. So what we're gonna do is, and Michigan might be affected slightly. And so we're just gonna turn this, we're gonna be like, we're gonna turn that into a big crater.
Okay.
And then that's gonna become the U.S. swimming pool.
The U.S. swimming pool, okay.
Okay, there's an adjustment that I've been wanting to make for a while. Like a lot of people know that I really enjoy going to Florida, and Florida's a pretty cool state and a pretty cool place. And I mean, alternative content's down there, so they kind of bring down Florida a little bit, but
Yeah. Can we get rid of them?
no, we can get rid of alternative content. So
Well, let's find the little city and let's just make it ocean.
yeah, that's
So
a
like
good
right
point.
here probably?
Yeah, that's like right there. That's probably right around Clearwater.
Okay, Florida now.
We're
looks
gonna
like
add
this.
Clearwater to the Tampa Bay, and that's just gonna be gone. So like,
Perfect.
It's all gonna be underwater.
It's a really big Tampa Bay.
But other than that, there's another adjustment that I've been really wanting to make to Florida that I feel like it's needed to make for a very long time, and that's instead of it just stopping like right here, right in the middle, you just gotta add a little bit more roundness to it.
Okay.
Yeah. It makes us more aerodynamic because we have more like
Such a
curve to it.
Yeah,
like
beautiful.
a curve.
Yeah. Where's Las Vegas?
Las Vegas is like right here, homie.
And we're gonna go like this. We're gonna extend it.
Texas extends over here.
What the fuck is this?
Just the Texas bulge. Tyler, there's another big thing. So you and I have visited the very, very flat and cold state of...
Ohio.
No, Ohio doesn't exist anymore. We already handled that.
North Dakota.
North Dakota.
Yeah.
There you go. Second time's the try. And that state, kind of ass. It was cold and it kind of sucked. And so...
Here?
Yeah, that's about it. So you know where else is really cold, but like, kind of cool, but not overly cool? Canada.
Okay.
And so we're gonna give North Dakota
Back.
to Canada.
I assume we took it. That's kind of our thing.
We probably took it.
Yeah, that's how we roll.
Manifest Destiny is a beautiful thing.
I think we took a Montana too.
Here, as a consolation prize, we're gonna give them, because it's really cold in Canada.
Yeah.
We're gonna give them a little bit of Texas.
I think we say, from the inner heel of Texas, say Mexico, I'll do dotted lines to represent. We build them a tunnel, or let them build a tunnel straight to Canada.
Bridges are polluting, okay? Sharks swim into bridges and they die.
I've heard that.
Yeah, they swim right into them bridges and they die. But it's not just gonna be a regular bridge, okay? It's gonna have trees. So the sharks will survive because of the trees.
I'm not even gonna ask you to explain that. Do you know the names of these?
Mahalo.
Alaska.
Okay.
What do we do about them?
I should give them back to Russia. 7-day voyage on a nice little canal that's gonna dip into the swimming pool.
Yes.
No, because the regular rivers will go down.
It's man-made, so there won't be any bad things in there.
No.
Because the sharks can survive down here now. They don't have to be in a river.
We're just gonna use it to transport our heroin.
Oh.
Yeah.
It's totally a secret.
Don't tell anybody. I think what we need to do is extend California. So there's Arizona and New Mexico around here somewhere. We're getting rid of them.
Oh, so they get Vegas.
What?
Okay, what's
Global
next?
warming solved. Just by getting rid of Ohio. Look at that. Well, why do so many solutions come from getting rid of Ohio?
I don't know, but maybe we should.
Yeah, we really need to get rid of Ohio. Fuck Ohio. There was this area called Dunkirk and Fredonia.
I understand.
And they were bordering each other And I was on my way to Niagara Falls, and we stopped there. Entire area smelled like pet food. It was disgusting. Okay, and I'm like, oh shit, we need windshield wiper fluid and some other stuff. So we stopped.
Headlight fluid?
And headlight fluid.
Okay.
And we stopped into their Walmart, and it looked like a Kmart. Okay. It was run down, nasty. The entire area reeked. We stopped at the Taco Bell, and all like the seats just were cut up and shit. Bad time. So Dunkirk and Fredonia, you're just gone.
Is that New York?
Yeah, that's in New York. So you lost your right to exist. We're gonna bulldoze over it. We'll let them keep New York. Like we'll let New York keep Dunkirk and Fredonia, but we're just gonna bulldoze over it and start again.
Okay.
Well, the United States does have an entire area that's just built of trash. It's called Ohio. So unfortunately, Ohio, you can't serve your true purpose of just being a landfill.
Yeah, now you'll be a swimming pool.
Now you're a swimming pool, which is significantly better than what you are now, which is essentially a landfill, but for humans. I want you to personify American culture with a film franchise. What is it?
Die Hard.
Fast and Furious.
Oh.
And what happens in Fast 6? There's a very long runway. But you see, the problem
true, the airplane.
is that a lot of people get mad at the Fast and Furious franchise because there's no way there's a runway that long.
Now there is.
It doesn't make sense. So now there will be a runway that long because we don't want the Fast and Furious movies to be wrong because that makes us look bad to the rest of the world.
Except for Hobbs and Shaw, I'm not watching it.
Hobbs and Shaw is so good. Just watch Hobbs and Shaw. And so what we're going to do...
Idris Elba should not be a super soldier.
And you know how, so along this whole thing, we probably cut down all the trees, cleared out the area and everything.
Well,
So-
now it's trash.
And so what we're going to do is we're going to make... Right here is the runway.
U.S. Skate Park.
We're going to invent a new part of...
You ollie over the lazy river.
I like that. That's cool. We're going to invent a new skateboard, though, where the wheels will actually work as flotation devices, so you can skate and then ollie into the lazy river and ride around in it.
That's so cool.
Yeah, that'd be so cool. And then you can get back up to the U.S. swimming pool and take a shit in it because you remember that it's Ohio.
This is where we build our tower.
Our tower?
We're designing it.
Okay.
This is where we live.
Okay.
This is our kingdom.
The question is, which one of us gets the penthouse? Or do we share it? Can we get bunk beds if we share the penthouse? So on my side, we're going to have a one-way bridge that goes over to Tyler's side. He's not allowed to go on there because it's one way.
There's just a sign. I have to walk downstairs and up the building. Perfect.
Disney's going to take over Florida.
Haven't they already?
Pretty much. And so this is just going to be the state of Disney.
And a season pass is only $6,000 a year.
Disney. When you think of the greatest point of world history, what comes to mind?
I don't know if I can
You're
say
right,
that.
Pangea.
Okay, so you brought in the continent of Asia to touch California. Did you crush Japan?
No, I crushed Hawaii.
All right, we can't talk about things we don't know about.
Wait, we can't talk about things we don't know about?
Does BFF stand for anything? I was afraid. I don't
Best
know.
friend forever.
This is the big bad car track.
I like it. Well, we don't really need to put the word track in there. They can assume. So it'll be BBC, big bad car. Yeah.
BBC.
BBC.
This is Walmart.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
It is actually named because now there's only, well, there can still be a few, but this is the best one. It is the big, beautiful Walmart.
Now, I was thinking back on your idea of having a car factory up here, and I actually do think it is a great idea.
Oh, okay, cool.
So we're going to use the color of Ford because we're going to use Ford's infrastructure to make it, but Ford, we're not going to make their cars. Okay, and so this is car factory.
Okay.
And we're going to call it CF. Okay, but what does every car factory need, Tyler?
Workers.
And what do the workers need?
Food.
What do the food need? A
Grass.
union.
Oh, a union, of course.
And so the thing is, but we don't want the union just to be in the workers' hands, okay? Because it also pertains to their children.
Okay.
Okay, and so this is gonna be right here, right underneath. This is gonna be the car union.
Okay.
Okay, for car kids. I think that just about covers it. If you like this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and do all that fun stuff if you want to see this dream realized.
Elect me in 20 years.
Elect Tyler in 20 months.
No, actually, it's 15 years.
20 months. And so with that, we will see you later, and thanks for watching. This is like a fucking third grade art project.